Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. In light of St. Patrick's Day, let's make the best green pancakes ever. And hey, stay with me, I won't compromise the taste to make it look good. There's no food coloring in this, it's made with natural colors and flavors. So are you interested in finding out how this is done? Let's have some fun with this. Start with the secret to the color. Put a little water in a pan and add 1 cup of packed spinach into the pan and cover it and let it steam until it wilts a little bit. And come on, it doesn't taste in the pancakes, seriously. Pour that spinach into your blender and then add 1 cup of milk to that. Next, add 1 large egg. Now 1 tablespoon of canola oil. I believe it makes a difference in the type of oil that you use. I use canola because I like the flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we're going to put this blender on mix and mix it thoroughly until it's all liquefied. There won't be any chunks left by the time you've got this all mixed together. It'll take a couple of minutes or so, but make sure you've got it liquefied really well and that it's turned green. Then take a separate large mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of white sugar to that. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Just half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then half a teaspoon of salt. Now pour your liquid mixture into your dry mixture. Don't be tempted to do it the other way around. You don't want to put it in the blender to finish because pancakes only require a little bit of mixing at this point. So it's just a stir until it's mixed here. So this is mixed up quite nicely and we're ready to start frying our pancakes. Start by placing a little bit of canola oil onto a hot grill. Now the grill's not going to be as hot as it normally is for pancakes because we want to maintain our green appearance to the pancake. So we're going to cook these just a little bit slower than we normally would for other pancakes. So I've set the temperature about 250 degrees. And then I'll ladle about 1/4 cup for each pancake onto the grill. And you just want them to brown up lightly on the bottom, no more than 2 minutes. Flip them over and the other side will only take maybe a minute. Basically, it cooks mostly on the first side and then the other side just needs to finish off. And you can see it's nice and green on the other side. That would be the side that I would put up when I'm wanting to present it nicely on a plate. And you can see here that they're nice and light and airy. You don't want them too flat and rubbery. It makes a difference on the texture when you're eating them. They're really much better and nicer to eat. Now let's have some fun. Let's cut them into the shape of hearts so that we can make a shamrock. Actually, a 4-leaf clover might as well be a lucky one. These are green pancakes that can be used for birthday parties or any other event and turn them into different shapes. Because this recipe is definitely a keeper and the taste is worthy of using it over and over again. And if you have lots of spinach and you're looking for ways to use it up, this is another good way to do that. And enjoy the healthy ingredients that are in this pancake. Now if I decide to pick a recipe that I think is worthy of posting, it's important to me first off to make sure that it tastes good, but also I like it to look good. So this recipe has a bit of both. Trust me, it's worth trying. So go ahead and make this and enjoy, and until next time, happy eating.